Guys, ubos na yung wax ko. As in, simot na simot na. Hi guys! Welcome back to another episode of a Summer Glow Up. So today, I'm gonna be teaching you how to properly wax your body. So pwede to sa underarms nyo, sa arm, legs, anywhere na ayaw nyong may hair. Eto na, I got you. So the things that you'll need is, syempre kailangan nyo ng wax nyo, a wax strip, and a popsicle stick. So ito, love na love ko to from Lux Wax. Meron pa akong extra dito. That's how much I love this. As you can see, ubos na talaga to. And guys, don't worry. Pag bumili ka ng Lux Wax, meron na rin siyang kasamang popsicle stick and wax. You just wanna heat up yung wax nyo for about 10 to 20 seconds. And then, make sure hindi siya sobrang init. A-apply nyo lang siya on the direction of your hair. So if ang hair nyo pataas, then apply it ng pataas. So after you apply yung wax sa body nyo, lalagyan nyo lang siya ng wax strip. Tapos, igaganyan nyo lang siya. And then, you want to pull it at the opposite direction of your hair growth. So, kunyari, ito, di ba, pataas yung hair mo. So, yung hila mo, pababa dapat. Ganon. And guys, promise, itong Lux Wax na to, hindi siya super sakit. As in, minimal lang. And then, pinaka-important after waxing is yung aftercare. Para hindi tayo magkaroon ng ingrown hair, chicken skin. So, I usually use sunflower oil after I wax kasi I find that super effective siya in making sure na smooth yung skin ko. And ito yung ginagamit ko from Lux Wax rin. Ito yung premium sunflower oil nila. Magkasama na rin to. So, konti lang, little bit of oil, lagay ko lang sa underarm ko, and then okay na. Okay, mag-underarm reveal ba tayo? Kasi kakawax ko lang actually. Okay, so ayan, ito yung underarm ko. Hindi siya perfect, pero guys, super happy na rin ako sa progress ng underarm ko. So guys, it's time to glow up for summer. If interested kayo sa mga ginamit ko, ilalagay ko lang dyan sa yellow basket.